Man, know thyself. Know who you are. After 500 videos that I've made just only talking about Igbo unity, how all of us who are Igbos cut out in other states are Igbos, but you still have the audacity without even proving me wrong to come and call me a liar, is an insult to my personality. If the 20 years of my research and study, I have used it in academic school, in university, I would have been a professor with higher authority. But again, I know that so many of you don't cherish knowledge. You have data to browse. You can't communicate with the Google. It's just to be arguing blindly on internet, calling people liar. Content, look for me. Because there are 1 million topics to talk about. When I was in the radio station in 2016, I was told to write down my synopsis and topics that I can handle only on controversial topics about pastors. I have more than 1,000 topics written down in 1 week. I told my producer, Mr. Greg, in DBN, that if I do this program every day for 3 good years, I will have topic to talk about. 1,365 days times by 3 to be 1,000 plus. I will have topics to talk in 3 good years. Here we are. Look at the map. I made a video saying that there was a time Ndokwa and Ndoki are in the same constituency and local government. Somebody is arguing with me. If I put ordinary money now, 50,000, you have people that will come out and chest it, say their brothers in Kwale, they have brothers in River State. Kwale Delta State have brothers in River State. Cousins, not even far distance cousins. Because the states were created out of envy, 5 military officers will sit in the office in the north, decide what they will do, wake up in the morning, grade the state without consultation, without anybody's approval. They divide 2 villages, and you are claiming that you are different, you are not more Igbo because you are in the River State. There are people living in Kogi State, Igbos living in Kogi State, but their farm is in Ebonyi State. Go and check it. Go and verify. That's how my video is. Look at the map. Before it was separated, look at the map. See the map when it was called Biafra. All of you in River State, in Bayelsa, are all called Biafra at one time. But they separated it and moved the map. Say no, they want to divide it because these people are speaking this and that, and Lagos this and that. Look at it. 2 different maps I bring to you. Show me the difference between Edo State that time and Igbo's people. All of them were regarded as one. And you are coming to argue with me. If I tell you something and you are not making research to verify it and you are arguing with me, it means that you don't even know who you are talking to. I'm a bundle of information. This is not about me boasting. I know who I am. Man, know thyself. That's what I started with. I know who I am. Not be a kind of pastor saying I know who I am. See, I'm even pitying you people because I'm the one using my money to sponsor these videos. If I start cashing out on social media, whether YouTube, whether Instagram, whether Facebook, I'm making 2 or 3 videos in a day sometimes. If I start cashing out, when I will not be using my money to sponsor my videos, I'll be sponsoring from proceedings coming from the social media. When I go tire, I told you for 10 years, I go float everywhere with videos. I'm just starting. All of you are shouting at Willow. That time, all of them go quiet because evidence yakpa. I'm out of here, Joe.
Okwane no be a do. I dey beg una. I carry God. Ere mu Chineke. Ke bi n'enigwe. Ari ono. Bikoni. Una leave Okwane people. Okwane people belongs to Igbo.